Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will graph inequality regions, also called half planes. We're going to be graphing things like this. We were graphing equations before, like y equals 1 minus x over 2, but now we're going to graph y is greater than 1 minus x over 2. So all you do is plot the line and then just shade in one side of the line. See, the thing is, there are infinitely many points in this plane that satisfy this inequality. We're just going to shade all of those points in. So when you're asked to graph an inequality like this, start by graphing the equality, the equation. We're going to graph the equation y equals 1 minus x over 2. So we're going to use the gradient intercept method. So the y-intercept is 1. Now the gradient's negative a half. Bottom number tells you how far to go right. Top number tells you how far you go up or down. Because it's negative, we're going to go down. So we have 2 points through which this line passes. We now just join them up. So if you're graphing a strict inequality greater than or less than, as we are here, you need to use a dotted line because these points on the line actually don't satisfy the inequality. So they're not going to be part of our region. But if it is not a strict inequality, greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you just graph the line as normal. So what we need to do is shade one side of the line. I want to shade the side of the line that has all of the points that satisfy this inequality. So to determine which side of the line we shade, all we need to do is pick a point, and that point cannot be on the line. So here 0, 0 would be an easy point to pick. It's not on the line. So I'm going to put x equals 0, y equals 0 into the inequality. So changing x and y to 0, I get y is greater than 1 minus 0 over 2. Now, this is clearly a false statement. 0 is greater than 1 is false. So because it's false, 0, 0, the point I picked, is not part of the required region. 0, 0, this point does not satisfy the inequality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade the other side of the line, the side where 0, 0 is not. Every point in this shaded region, basically above the line here, will satisfy this inequality. Of course, if 0, 0 did satisfy this inequality, I would have shaded this side. So if you pick any point in this region, for example, this is the point 0, 2. If I substitute 0, 2 into this inequality, it would give me a true statement because 2 is greater than 1 minus 0 over 2. That's a true statement. Any point in here satisfies the inequality. Every point over here does not satisfy the inequality. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.